So as you remember, the old dishwasher leaked. Remember that? And it wasn't discovered until many months later when the floor on the other side of this wall started to buckle. Well, now everything's been fixed. New dishwasher, new floor, and new wall. But the problem might come up again, so I wanted to be able to look behind everything. I figured I'd do it with a fake vent cover, but I didn't want to unscrew everything every time, I had to look in there. What if I used magnets? Neodymium latch magnets, typically for a kitchen cabinet door. There's a little disc, there's the magnet, there's another little disc. You assemble it all and then you can shut the cabinet door, but I want to make this a little easier. Here's what comes inside. There's those discs, okay? And over here are the magnets. We keep these apart from each other. Let's zoom in on the magnets. This is how strong they are. Oh, they're pretty strong magnets. So I did a lot of figuring, and the rest of the stuff that's in this kit, I don't need. These are 2-inch drywall screws. I need a drywall screw, and I need the magnets, and of course, the vent cover. That's all I'm gonna use. Come here. Make sure that's level. Back at the opening, I've marked the hole for the screw that's supposed to go through here. So to make sure this vent doesn't slowly sag on the magnet, I'm going to put a screw here, and then, of course, one on the other side too. And behind the drywall, I have wood back there. All right, so that's gonna hang on those 2 screws. So the top 2 screws, the vent hangs on, and the bottom screws, the magnets stick to. Hang it and then stick it. And that's it. That worked out pretty good. And I just thought that up. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.